The iceberg by RaidMax. There are 4 5¼ inch drive bays. There is a front blue LED 120mm fan. The front panel on the iceberg can be easily removed by pulling down on a lever at the bottom of the front panel, and then the front panel easily slides off. Please take note of the screen ventilation on the front panel for maximum airflow. This is the crossbar at the bottom of the case that removes your front panel. This is the 120mm fan that is attached to your removable hard drive bay that keeps your hard drives nice and cool along with everything else inside your case. It has room for 4 3½ inch hard drives, and please take note of the rubber booting on each side. Also inside the 5¼ inch drives for anti-vibration. The top of the case is diamond cut aluminum. It has a power button, a reset button, a hard drive LED, a power LED, 2 2.0 USBs, a microphone jack, a headphone jack, and a firewire port. Also has 2 top 120mm fans, which are blue LED. On the left side panel is a window. Both sides are covered with vinyl film, so you don't have to worry about scratches on your window. Both the left and right side panels are one-click, easy access. The motherboard tray is not removable, but the mid-tower case is big enough to where you have a good amount of room to work on the inside of the case, so I don't think it would be a problem. The form factors for this motherboard are standard ATX, Flex ATX, Mini ATX, and Micro ATX. At the back of the case is another 120mm fan. So that's 4 120mm fans included. Each fan includes a female and male Molex connector. Also, it has 7 expansion slots, all done with thumb screws, so no tools are required to install your expansion cards. The only time that you will need a screwdriver with the iceberg is to install the motherboard. All your accessories are done with thumb screws to make it a toolless design. What's included in the iceberg is screws for mounting your motherboard, the only time that you'll need a screwdriver, extra fan screws in case you would replace a fan or anything like that, and a lot of thumb screws to add all your accessories. On the back panel is a cutout for a standard ATX power supply to get installed, a cutout for your I/O plate, your 120mm fan, and 7 expansion slots, and pre-drilled holes to add a water cooling system. The feet on the iceberg work on a screw design that lets you adjust the height of the feet or on each foot. Also, they are large and have excellent anti-vibration properties, and they won't scratch the surface.